Hi, Kinder Buffs. We have an updated sound deck. I'm going to make the sound, and then I want you to repeat the sound. You're going to hear my daughter repeating the sound, and then we're going to show you how to write the letter or letters that make that sound. Please feel free to get your whiteboard out or a piece of paper out and write the letters yourself. We're going to start. Digraph, O. Sh. Digraph, S. Digraph, T. Ooh. Digraph, O. Ch. Digraph, CH. V. Digraph, TH. Combination, ER. R. Combination, AR. Qu. Combination, QU. Or. Combination, OR. G. G. N. F. D. A. P. Z. X. W. O. L. E. B. V. J. M. Y. S. I. H. U. T. R. K or C or digraph CK. A. Consonant E or A. I. Consonant E or I. O. Consonant E or O. U. Consonant E or U. E. Digraph EE or E. You guys are awesome.